Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in brush steel. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions which I'll show you in a second, but first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view here. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers here, and push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay. Here at the front here, your screw holes, that's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice at the back here that it has 3 terminal hole screws. Okay, this is our two-way functioning module, and it'll give you the ability to control your light switch from 2 separate locations. If you need to control your lights from 3 separate locations, you'll need to get the intermediate, which you can pop this one out and put a new one in nice and simply if you need to swap them around. Okay, flipping it back over, let's put our plate back on. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of different social media places, which if you head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. And finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the two-way and BS for brush steel. In the center here is our barcode. And in the top left-hand corner, you have a QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. And you can see our full range of Trendi products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything Trendi. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.